this is an unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the latest flagship device from the Samsung. So we have the Galaxy S22 Ultra in burgundy color. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So we have the phone on the top. Let's keep this aside and see the other stuff. So we have this small packet, and inside this we got USB Type-C to Type-C cable and an instruction booklet and a quick start guide. Well, this is a burgundy color. It's available in green, phantom white, phantom black and burgundy, which you see here. It is also available in some online exclusive colors, which include red, sky blue and graphite. I'm curious, what color do you think is the best? Leave a comment below. So this Galaxy S22 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm based chipset, which is a quite good chipset as compared to the Exynos 2200. Well, S22 Ultra price start at $1,200 for the base 128GB and 8GB of RAM. Well, this S22 Ultra gets the 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. Well, talking about the display, on the front we have the 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x Quad 80+ display having the 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It does support HDR10+ and has the 1750 nits of the peak brightness, which is quite interesting. I mean, there should be no problem using this phone outdoor in the bright sunlight. It does have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is really fast. Front and back are protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and the sides are made of the aluminum. Well, the phone itself has a slot to hold the stylus, and one of the big talking points for the S Pen, especially on this Galaxy S22 Ultra, is that Samsung has reduced latency from the 9ms down to the 2ms, down by almost 70% from the previous 9ms latency on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Like, if you are writing on the display, it feels like pen writing on the paper. And even more interesting thing is that Samsung has even added artificial scribbling sound that originates from the phone's speakers. Well, talking about the cameras, on the back we have the total of the 4 cameras. Top one is the 12MP ultra wide camera, the middle one is the 108MP main camera, the bottom sensor is gonna be the 10MP 10x periscope zoom lens, and lastly we have the 10MP 3x optical telephoto camera. On the front there is a 40MP selfie.